Good morning, children. Here, you know the ruler, we call him as king. King or queen, monarchy. Mono means a single power. They used to rule. Now we don't have kingship and all. We are following the democracy, people power. So new kings who came and their kingdoms. Kingdom means person. Kingdoms means their ruling area. The region is called kingdom. Kingdom means land or part of the region. King means noun, that is a ruler. Here, to understand this lesson, we should know the meaning of dynastities. Dynasty means this king only, not only one person from one family. The same family, one after other, they used to rule. That is called dynasty. That is rulers from the same family. From same family. Here also in India, when our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru appointed as a Prime Minister, then his daughter became, Indira Gandhi became ruler. That is Prime Minister. Then her son Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister. Then only we stopped, we need not want from the same family. We want the different candidates to rule us. Same thing, it was happening in the 18th century, dynasty. Dynasty means rulers ruled from the same family. Maybe brother or father, after that father, son, like that. The next word, inscriptions. Inscription means words written or cut on something. Olden days, they did not have much pen, paper and all. So wherever they seen on the caves, stones, or in some part they used to write that written, they used to write words or cut on that something about what do they wanted to store it about themselves. That is called inscription. Next, in that only one part of inscription known as prashastis. Prashastis means prizing a person in poem or prose. Poem and prose, there is a difference. Poetic form and prose in general speech form. So, one person, if you want to prize, we can prize him in a poetic form or the prose form. Generally, it was composed by the court poet. Why court poet means king court, poets will be there. So, they used to write any person, if they want to prize him, appreciate him in the poem or in the prose order, they used to. That only called prashastis. Now, another word, encomiums. Encomium means what? Same thing, prizing only. We may give a speech about the person or prizing highly. We prize them highly in a superlative degree, we prize. That word only called encomiums. Now, 17th century I told you. After the 17th century, like this many dynasties, that is rulers from the same family, they emerged and ruled us. So, many these people, under them many landlords, zamindars were there. And one side agriculture landlord, other side warrior. Warrior means the one who fights. Now we say military people. So, warrior chiefs. These two groups of the people, maybe landlord or the warrior, they used to meet kings with a gift in their hand. Now, if you go to others' house or any birthday or any celebration, means we for the prizing them or for token of love, we give them gift. Like these landlords and the warrior chief, they used to meet kings with something gift for the kings. Then this king also started to prize him. Then slowly the king started to believe these people and they asked them to take over some region and all to look after. So they are called Samantas or Mahasamantas. Samantas or Mahasamanta. Slowly these landlords and warrior chief appointed by king in Samantas and Mahasamantas, they started to rule independently. For that, one example we can say, Rashtrakutas. Rashtrakutas were they were like landlords or the warrior only in Deccan area. Deccan, the word means south, India south. So one of the famous one Rashtrakutas, they opposed Chalukyas. They were the rulers of the Karnataka. Among them, these Chalukyas, Dandi Durga was defeated. Dandi Durga, he defeated these Rashtrakutas and he became the ruler. So we used to call these people as overlord. They are not the king, overlord. Everything they used to look after. And after defeating, he performed one yaga that is called Hiranya Garbha. Hiranya Garbha. So he believed that whoever he defeated, rebirth. He thought that he believed that word rebirth. Again, the people who died, they may reborn. That only called rebirth. For that only he did this Hiranya Garbha. Garbha means the womb, uterus of the ladies. Now kings rewarded these Brahmins. They offered land also. The rulers, kings, olden days, these poets or the landlords and all, generally Brahmins in the temple, those who do the puja and all. So for the kings used to reward the Brahmins and granted a land for them. Like that they started to become richer. Then he used to give a title also. When the rulers, they themselves had the title that Maharaja or Adiraja. Maharaja means super. Maharaja or Adiraja first. They are the one that is like a divineship. People have to follow them as a divine god. In that Muhammad Ghazni, he was the Sultan in Afghanistan. Sultan in Afghanistan from India. So this Muhammad Ghazni, he wanted to expand his kingdom. This kingdom, the ruling kingdoms, he wanted to expand. He wanted to get more. That is the word, to expand. Now Muhammad Ghazni, from that Afghanistan, he started to expand. One of that example we can say, there was a people called Chahmans. Now we are calling them as Chauhans. First they were called as Chahmans. These people ruled Delhi, Ajmer and all. Later when they were ruling only, they came to be known as Chauhans. They were opposed by in Gujarat and western part of Uttar Pradesh. These Chauhans opposed by the Chalukyas. Among them Chalukyas, the great best ruler was Prithviraj III. Prithviraj III. So these words, if we by heart and if we know that word meanings only, further we can come to know about, we can move to South Indian history about Cholas and in next period.